In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product or service in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard, where you can access the tools needed to manage items you sell or provide to customers. From there, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Sales. This section is where QuickBooks keeps customer-related activity, including invoices, customers, and the list of products and services you use in transactions. Next, select Products and Services. This opens the area where you can view your existing items and create new ones. If your business offers different services, physical goods, or simple billable items, this is the place to organize them properly. Now click New. QuickBooks will ask what kind of item you want to create. You'll need to choose the item type that best matches what you're adding. The available options are Service, Inventory, Non-Inventory, and Bundle. Service is typically used for labor or work you perform. Inventory is for products you track in stock. Non-inventory is for items you sell or buy but don't track as inventory. Bundle lets you group multiple products or services together. After selecting the type, enter the item name in the name field. Make the name clear and easy to recognize, since this is what you'll see later on. Invoices, estimates, and reports. If you use internal product codes, you can also enter an SKU. This step is optional, but it can be helpful for organizing and tracking items more efficiently. Next, choose a category. You can select an existing one or create a new category if needed. Categories make your item list easier to manage, especially as your business grows. Now add a description. This description appears on sales forms, so it should be written in a way that customers can understand clearly. Then enter the sales price or rate. This is the amount QuickBooks will use when you add the item to a sales transaction, so double check that it's accurate. After that, choose the appropriate income account. This tells QuickBooks where to record the revenue from this product or service in your chart of accounts. You'll also want to review the sales tax settings. Make sure the tax option is correct for the item you're creating, based on how that product or service should be treated in your business. If you purchase this item from vendors, enable the option that says you purchased this product or service from a vendor, then complete the purchasing details. This section is optional, but it's useful if you want to track vendor-related information. Finally, click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you want to add another item right away. Thanks for watching.